Who do we know in Berwick-upon-Tweed?
We don't.
It's from Queenie Hennessy. She's in a hospice.
Is that a letter?
For a friend. She has cancer.
My aunt had cancer. But you can't give up. It's about what's in here.
And your aunt got better because you believe she could?
She said it gave her hope.
Could I leave a message for Queenie Hennessy? Tell her Harold Fry is on his way. I'll keep walking and she must keep living.
Harold?
I'm walking a long way, but I haven't quite got the hang of it yet.
You stink.
Where are you?
I'm going to save Queenie Hennessy.
Have you been drinking?
The only time you walk is to get to the car.
I need to do this, Maureen.
Walk to Berwick-upon-Tweed. It can only be about 500 miles. Have you seen the news? You're everywhere.
Everyone's so nice.
I have a spare room. You can stay the night.
Thank you.
I'm gonna save Queenie too.
My husband, he needs to be stopped.
I see.
He's walking the length of England. He could cause an accident.
What he's doing is beautiful.
I wish you'd come home.
You could do this too. Anyone can do what I'm doing. You just have to let go of the things you think you need. I've spent my life not doing anything. And now at last I am.
Don't you get scared?
Since I've been in the open, it seems there's less to be afraid of.
Did you have a son?
I'm afraid I've failed my son very badly.
You couldn't even say goodbye!
You have to believe in him. I want to come home. I want my son.
You're nearly there. 18 miles. That's nothing.
Travel the length of England to save a woman from dying.
Maybe it's what the world needs right now. A little less strength and a bit more faith.